In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void or delete an invoice in Xero. Whether you're correcting a mistake or adjusting your records, managing invoices effectively is an essential part of bookkeeping. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly, ensuring your accounting stays accurate and up to date. Let's begin by opening the Xero website. Make sure you're logged into your account with the appropriate permissions, as only users with the correct access level can void or delete invoices. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the Xero dashboard. This is your central hub for all things accounting, and from here, we're going to direct our attention to the Sales section. Look towards the menu and you'll see a tab labeled Sales. Go ahead and click on this. Within the Sales area, there's a range of options available, but our focus today will be on invoices. Click on the Invoices button, which will lead you to a comprehensive list of all your invoices. It's always helpful to familiarize yourself with this space as it provides a clear overview of your sales records. Now, the next step involves selecting the specific invoice you wish to void or delete. Scroll through your list of invoices, or you might find it easier to use the search bar if you're dealing with a large number of documents. Enter the invoice number or the client's name to quickly locate the relevant information. Once you've identified the invoice, click on it to open the full details. With the invoice open, you'll find several options available to adjust it. Our goal is to void this invoice, which involves removing any associated payments if they've been recorded. Look for the option that says Less Payment. Clicking Less Payment will prompt additional options for managing any payments tied to the invoice. Upon completing this step, you'll see the option labeled Remove and Redo. This feature is particularly handy as it allows for previous actions to be erased so you can start fresh without making permanent deletions immediately. Click Remove and Redo to void the invoice effectively. It's crucial to understand that voiding an invoice doesn't erase it from your records. Instead, it's marked as void, keeping your transaction history transparent and complete. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully managed to void or delete an invoice within Xero, ensuring that your financial records are accurate and up to date. Always double-check your actions to ensure everything reflects accurately in your accounting system, especially when handling financial data. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Happy bookkeeping!